Okay, homework 9, number 6. What values will the following code print? A equals 1, n equals 1, while a is less than 100, a equals a multiplied by n equals n plus 1. Interesting, so now we have two variables with sort of a related relationship, right? So let's copy this code and let's go to MATLAB and try to figure this out. So I'm gonna, here we go, navigate to MATLAB. I'm gonna open a new script. I'm gonna just paste the code in the problem and I'm just gonna add a comment. Just good housekeeping. Homework 9, number 6, right? So a equals 1, n equals 1, and then we have a bunch of expressions. What's the problem actually asking for? It's asking what values will the following code print. So let's go through the iterations, right? Iteration 1, a is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. Is 1 less than 100? The answer is yes, right? Because is a while a less than 100? This is my logical expression. 1 is less than 100, so now a becomes a multiplied by n, 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1, and n becomes n plus 1, which is 2, right? 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay. Iteration 2. Now in this case, a is still 1, and n is now 2. Is a less than 100? While a less than 100, so my logical expression 1 is 1 less than 100. The answer is yes. So I go into the loop itself and I calculate or compute the codes in the body of the loop. So a now becomes a multiplied by n, which is 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2. And n is n plus 1, which is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, iteration 3. At the start of the iteration, a is equal to 2, and n is equal to 3. Is 2 less than 100? The answer is yes. So now a is equal to a multiplied by n, which is 2 multiplied by 3 and 6. And n is equal to n plus 1, which is 3 plus 1, and this is 4. Right? Okay. Iteration 4. At the start of the iteration, a is equal to 6, and n is equal to 4. Is 6 less than 100? The answer is yes. So a now becomes a multiplied by n, which is 6. 6 multiplied by 4, which is 24, right? And n now is equal to what? N plus 1, 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay, iteration 5. In this case, at the start of the iteration, a is equal to 24, and n is equal to 5. Is 24 less than 100? The answer is yes. So now a becomes a multiplied by n, which is 24 multiplied by 5. And this is what? 5 by 24 by 5 is 120, right? Yeah, 120. 20 by 5 is 100, 4 by 5 is 20, so this is 120. And now n is equal to n plus 1, so is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, iteration 6. At the start of this iteration, a is equal to 120, and n is equal to 6. Is 120 less than 100? The answer is no, so it just exits the loop. Okay. So what's the problem asking for again? Let's remember. What values will the following code print? Okay, so let's look through the code. So it should print a continuously. It's not going to print n because the n line is suppressed. So my expected result is this basically. Let's see. 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, 120, right? This is my output, which I expect is going to leave this loop. So let's try and run it. Before running it, I'm going to add my CLC and clear just to clean out my command window, and I'm going to run it. It will ask me to save. I'm going to save it. Let's see. Here we go. Save. And let's see what we're getting in the command window here. So we're getting the expected results. 1, 2, 6, 24, 120. 1, 2, 6, 24, 120. I expected it to print A twice, but it didn't because the first initialization of A is actually suppressed. That's why it did not print A twice. Again, so for these types of problems, just think through them, think through each line, think about the logical expression line and the action line, which is the increment line, and you will always be able to figure it out.